Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do. That's why I'm still my life with you.
Welcome back, guys. I'm here with RPGSHOW again. Okay, so before we get into the wig, of course, I need to show you guys the goodies. So I got a pair of regular wig caps, a RPGSHOW branded elastic headband. I got a flyaway tamer and other magazine. And lastly, we have the RPGSHOW bag. Perfect for storage. This is today's wig. You guys know that RPGSHOW hair is so boss on great glueless wigs. Always with the best quality, like best lace, best hair texture, everything. This is their Yaki straight 20-inch full glueless lace cap. It's a standard density and this is 20 inches long. All right. It's the new visible knots and it has that real scalp look to it. It's an upgraded pre-plucked hairline and everything is free parting. As I say, it's a full lace wig, not a lace front, a full lace wig. So you have the luxury of parting this wig wherever you wish. You know, a side part, a middle part, a parting in the back. If you want to do sections, you could go ahead and do that. You can be so flexible with doing and exploring different hairstyles rather. So I absolutely love that. You guys know the drill. I always make sure to add the direct link and all the specifications in my description box, so please go ahead, check that out. But I love the fact that we're working with a full lace wig today and it's glueless. You know, it being glueless is always a plus. I don't feel like you need to go in any further and pluck any more of that hair out. It looks great. Now if you notice, this is a street, has a street vibe going on. It is a tinted transparent Swiss lace, as I mentioned before. I am so excited to go ahead and do this really quick and easy glueless install for you guys. Listen, this is not gonna take much, okay? So let's go ahead and jump into this installation. The first thing I'm gonna do is cut off the extra lace in the back here. Now I need you guys to look at how snug this wig is fitting. Like, it's not going anywhere. It's really nice and snug. I did everything. I used everything. I just show you guys that are great for security. The straps in the back, the bands added in the inside the cap, and I also used the combs. Okay, everything to have the maximum security from this wig. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and get to cutting off the excess lace, and we're gonna go ahead and just you know get it really nice and laid, run through it with my flat iron. Very easy, very to the point.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else can do. That's why I'm still my life with you.
I feel like this part for me is always so satisfying. Like cutting away the lace, knowing that I won't see any lace after that extra lace that I've removed. Because where is the lace now? It melts in so perfectly without any product whatsoever. I just always love that part. Like, and this is the reason why I 10 out of 10 always recommend RPGSHOW. It's not just know that RPGSHOW has this type of quality. It's been for a while. Okay, they've been solid. All right, so I respect that, man. And just cut off the excess on the sides. Okay. Now usually, as you're seeing here, all I have to do is use a little bit of my spray. Use a little bit of my spray to keep the side down. Otherwise it's going to be like flapping like that, and I don't want that. But what I have is some tapes, so I won't use any adhesive today. I'll just use some tapes, like clear tapes. And that piece, let me show you. I have this type of tape here. What you're seeing right now is just the protective part on it, right? And all I'll do is peel off the blue portion. So I'll just peel it off, and I proceed to sticking it down on the sides. That's transparent, and it's a very easy fix. So now it's not flabbing anymore, and voila, the sides are very secure. All I have to do now is go in with my hot comb and get this nice and sleek and straight. This is the best ever, like RPG, come on. As these hair wax always come very handy. They always come in very handy when you're trying to get your wigs like really laid. So I'm gonna give it a deeper parting.
So I needed to remind you guys right here before I even go on with straightening the hair that this is a full lace wig. It's not a lace front. When I said a deep parting, you can part it all the way to the back. All right, this operates like it's a real head of hair. Okay, it's so realistic. Like, look at that. You could style it any which way that you like. You could do braids, you could do, you know, all different kinds of styles. Like, there are no limitations when it comes on to parting this wig. All right, so yeah, it's definitely a 10. I can't complain. Right here, as I said before, I'm just proceeding with straightening the hair, but I had to show you guys how realistic that looks. It looks like scalp. Okay, you don't need to add any concealer, any powder, because they already bleached this thing to perfection and tinted it. It looks amazing. So child, it's doing what it's supposed to do. All right, this is the ultimate realistic glueless full lace wig. All right, it's amazing.
This is the finished look of the hair. Look at that. It's some gorgeous Yaki straight hair. This is beautiful. It's thick, feels healthy. Definitely, you know, it's gonna be that coarse, thick kind of texture. So it's very nice and coarse and thick, and it feels strong, and it just feels like, you know, those, like that healthy head of hair kind of, yeah. Feels really strong. And I love the minimal, like if you're trying to dibble and dabble in color but you're so scared to like take it there, this is so minimalistic. You know, it's like there but not all up in your face. So for all the girls who want to try something new, who wouldn't usually, you know, do that type of thing, this wig would suit you well. And if you love a good straight Yaki texture, this is it as well. Very, very nice. The flow, the movement, perfect construction. Like, see, glueless, absolutely no adhesive at all for today's install. Very beginner friendly, very beginner friendly. Shout out to RPG here once more great quality makes me so happy. All the time. All the time. But yeah, so easy, right? Very to the point, super easy, and very much trending. That's it for today's wig look. I'm going to be sure to have the direct link to this wig in my description box, so please go ahead and check that out. All the specifications of the wig will be listed down below as usual. If there are any deals, that will also be there. And that's it. If you like this video, if you found it informative, go ahead and give it a thumb up. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, because I have a lot more of these kind of, you know, hair looks coming up and other videos. So yeah, that's it. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else. You're all I need. Personality, everything you do. It's me, love, everything about you.